Hi, my name is Kentse Radebe and I'm a Tekano Health Equity Fellow. The work that I've been involved in during this pandemic is called Community Action Networks. And Community Action Networks are an idea about how do we organize organically at the community level to think about a rapid response to COVID-19. In March, when the shutdown and lockdown were announced in South Africa, a group of us, so it was people who were in the public health space, union members, community organizers, teachers, people from various parts of the community were asking themselves, how are we going to respond to COVID-19? How are we going to ensure that people who lose jobs are still able to put food on the table? How are we going to ensure that people who need to self-isolate will be able to do that safely in their homes, where maybe there might not be conducive environments to do that? And we came together as a group and we formed Community Action Networks. Today, we have over 100 community action networks across the city. We call them CANs, and we've been organizing on Facebook and on Zoom and on WhatsApp, and I think we have over 14,000 members on Facebook. What's amazing about the community action networks is the speed at which we move at. One of our organizing principles is to be action oriented. So whenever something erupts across the city that needs a response, CANs jump on it, whether it's access to water, whether it's thinking about community safety, whether it's organizing and trying to engage with government around testing and finding hotspot areas and thinking about how CANs can support the Department of Health's response. We've been involved in that. But also we're thinking about promoting ideas such as solidarity and not charity. It's amazing when you connect individuals in an unequal city like Cape Town, how they can build relationships, how they can collaborate innovatively, and thinking about that as an organizing principle has been absolutely vital to doing really authentic work in this space. But then we also really believe in moving at the speed of trust. When you're organizing online and you can't meet people face to face, you really have to have the faith that they also understand your shared values and the shared mission that you are actually trying to be involved in and the goals that you're trying to achieve. For me, being involved in this work makes me realize the potential we have to organize differently, not just only in Cape Town, but across South Africa. And my hope is that as we see more of these community action networks being replicated in other parts of the country, we can get more people being involved, just even as ordinary citizens, in thinking about how do we be politically engaged, how do we engage in other ways and are not apathetic in our own spaces and in our own communities.